Hey guys, what's going on? It's Logan here from Hunting Pros, and this video is going to be a bit out of the norm for me. As you guys are aware, I typically stick with hunting footage, fishing footage, and product reviews. Sometimes some educational content. And in the past, I have made a couple of cooking videos, but I'm just going to warn you, I'm no Gordon Ramsay, and I'm definitely not a professional chef. So if you guys do enjoy this video, please slap the like button and subscribe. But essentially, I'm going to be showing you how I cook duck, not roasting it, but by frying the breast meat. So what you have in front of you guys is a fairly large wild black duck that I shot a couple of months ago. I just took it out of the vacuum sealed bag. I put it in the freezer and thawed it for the morning. So what I'm going to do with a knife, very carefully, is follow down this breastbone, and I'm going to be removing the breast from either side of the bone. And just so you're aware, the rest of the meat, like all the meat in the legs and the back and whatnot, I'm going to save for a later time, so it's not going to go to waste. For today's ingredients, guys, I'm sticking with some pretty basic items. I have a large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, some butter, onion salt, and pepper. So as you can see, guys, I breasted it 2 different ways. The breast on the right, I kept the skin on, and the one on the left, I removed the skin. And it's really up to you what you prefer. I actually like it with the skin off usually. I find it makes it more greasy and whatnot, leaving the skin on, but some people prefer that, so I'm showing you both ways. What I just did, guys, after I breasted out the duck is I took them over to the sink and I patted them dry, and then I added a little bit of onion salt on them. So now on medium to high heat, I'm going to add my butter to the pan that's already warm. I'm going to start cooking my duck. So to add flavor into the butter, I'm going to add garlic, which I have in a press here. And now I'm going to add my duck breast into the mix. Near the end of the process, guys, I add in some onions just for flavor. After you've cooked it 2 to 3 minutes on each side, your meat's actually done. You can eat duck meat fairly rare. People don't realize that. A lot of people that I know actually overcook it to the point where it has like a rubbery texture. I leave mine pretty rare, the same I would with the steak actually. And that's the way that I like it, but of course, cook it to your preference. Pepper. Just like that, in 5 or 6 minutes, you can cook yourself a nice meal, depending on how you like your duck cooked. Like I said, I like mine pretty rare. But to make a nice meal, what I'd normally add is a nice glass of red wine, as it's a red meat, and some other vegetables as well. So I like asparagus myself. I like cooking asparagus with it in the same pan. That garlic and onion kind of blend in with it adds a really nice touch. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut into the duck, this being the piece that has the fat still on it. I'll show you what the meat looks like. So for me, it's medium rare to rare. That's really good. That's really, really good. And like I said, guys, it's something you can cook really quick for yourself and enjoy your game meat. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and also subscribe to the channel, and check out my social media links below. See you later.